It's good. It's very good, very insightful, and it actually invokes you a lot of thoughts. Okay, what we had traditional mindset of a leader is like think out of the box. So the servant leader is something. Okay, what we realize. Okay, leader is also a servant. So that is one statement I can say. It's just that we don't wear the hats of a leader. You break all the barriers, and then bring down your egos and work towards one common goal. It's an amazing concept, something completely new, which unheard of. What we have read or what we have cultured as a society where we brought up is different thoughts on a leader, but this is something, some places we have to unlearn. Absolutely, yes, absolutely, because we have to see, we are a product company, platforms company, we are building products, we are building platforms, we are doing services. Who is doing that? People.
Absolutely,
right?
absolutely.
Even if you talk about future things, artificial intelligence is going to you. Human intelligence has to be there to do that artificial intelligence.
Wonderful.
So if there is no human intelligence, then just not the human intelligence, you have to also add, think people, right? Put people first. So if you say I'm a AI-enabled company, who is doing that? It's people. So that's why we have to put people first and people perspective first. That this program makes you think through that. Okay, more than processes and standards and tasks and work and tick that. Also think about people and give values to their ideas and then empower them. So that we build better societies, not only for the organization and to the better community as a whole, and then always it helps you, networking and then things like that. So that relationships, emotional healing, and bonding, all that happens. It's just not okay. I got the work done. Okay, I'm done. Not like that, right? It's a small world. It's a flat world, as you know. We always get to know people and meet them later in part of our life. So. Absolutely, my fellow whether it's junior programmers or the managers who have been a little tough and all that.
Yes.
So even for them, I would recommend they should join that, and so that it's just not work or task driven. Okay, always do that customer tasks and things like that. You cannot convert everything into an ROI. There's something other tangibles to that. So you have to work through that. So I would definitely recommend. Yeah.